It's just a sleeve block, simple build. I threw it together in like 7 weeks.
Nice. You went, what, 10-1 at the track?
Yeah, it was, so first time I went, I could not get into second gear to save my life.
Yeah.
Just so happened to put it back on the lift. It happened to be the shift linkage that was no good.
Oh, yeah.
So then, second time we went up to the track, I went from going 11s to 10.7 was my best at 140.
Yeah.
Still working on like some 60-foot issues, and finally went back last time. Went 11.4, completely like dumped the clutch. My foot slipped off. It was awful. And then Jay did some adjustments on a two-step and just went at it. Went 10.1 at 142. 142. The 60 foot was still awful. Should have been in the 1.5. It was a 1.65.
I mean, that's cooking. And you guys pretty much put this car together just from stuff laying around the shop, right?
Yeah, I got the car as a rolling shell with nothing. Nothing was in it besides just the cage and some rear DSS axles.
Wow, that's sick.
It's on 30 pounds, 8,600. Get the registration shit all figured out, and I'll hopefully be driving it on the street by the end of this year, if not beginning of next season. But I built it just to put something together simple. Because that person that owned it before like had all these stuff that was non-needed. Jay's still stock intake manifold. I got a stock intake manifold. It's pretty much a basic setup. Throw it together in like 7 weeks. I got laid off from work, so for 7 weeks I was here 2 or 3 days at a time.
Just wrenching.
Yeah, wrenching, putting it all together.
Oh yeah.
Took the whole tranny apart. Went through everything on the tranny because the reverse was broken. So, but
yeah, now you get to enjoy it.
Yeah. See how it does from the launch over here. It might just blow the tires off.